Hey Rose, this is Holden. Thanks for reaching out to me. I wanted to just kind of make this short video for you that just goes over some things that I saw that I think that you could improve upon that would definitely increase the traffic to your business, getting found easier in the search results online. I'm kind of going to take a look at how much traffic you guys are getting to your website currently and that of some of your top competitors in the area. And then like I said, I'm going to point out, what they're doing and what you guys could improve upon that would actually start getting some of that traffic to your website yourself. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I got your website pulled up right here. It's actually laid out very nice. I like, that you have a lot of information on here and it's laid out beautifully with some reviews from your clients. When it comes to Google optimization, the first thing Google really looks at is content. They want to see quality content, and they also want to see, at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage alone. So I have this tool here that's called SEO Quake. It's just a free tool that pulls some information from your page, and it shows me that you only have about 805 words on your homepage. So you can see why it falls short a little bit right there. It's missing that 1,500 to 2,000 mark. So if you're able to bump your content up a little bit more, then you'd start seeing some more increase in your ranking for just that. We can take a look at one of your top competitors. So when I search for Pasadena cleaning service, the first person that comes up here is this Mary Maids. And if we look at their SEO Quake, you can see that they have about 3,000 words on their homepage. So just for that reason, that's one of the things that they're outranking you for, is the amount of content they have on their homepage. Now, in addition to content, what Google wants you to add into your content is what we call keywords. Keywords are pretty much anything that someone's searching for in this bar up here to find you. So you can pick different keywords for different services that you offer and also keywords for different locations. So if you're servicing other locations than Pasadena, you can target those as well. And you want to make sure that you're using what we call buyer intent keywords. So these are keywords that people are looking for to reach out to get this service right away. An example of a non-buyer intent keyword would be something like Pasadena home cleaning costs. These people are just kind of doing their research. They're looking for the costs as opposed to just being ready to reach out to someone right now. Like Pasadena cleaning service would be a very good buyer intent keyword. And if we take a look over here, this is a tool I have called Ahrefs. It's one of the more powerful tools that we use in our industry to kind of see, how much traffic someone's getting to their website and why. I took a look at your website here, the Elite Maids, and we can take a look at how much traffic you're getting and for what keywords you're ranking. So one thing I did notice is that pretty much all of your traffic, while it does say that you get about 546 people to your website in a month, all of your traffic is coming from this one blog page, which has to do with good songs to listen to while cleaning. You're in the number one position, in a very high position for a lot of these keywords that are not really relative to your services. So like, let's see, 16 people are coming to your website a month for songs to listen to while cleaning, music to listen to while cleaning, best cleaning songs, good songs to listen to clean to, right? Like, these are not words that are bringing clients to your business. These are people that are searching for good songs to listen to while cleaning. So it's not really bringing any revenue to your business or new clients in that aspect. So by targeting different keywords, you can actually start bringing people in for the services rather than for people looking for what the best song is to listen to while cleaning. Pretty much all of your traffic is going to this one page, this one blog page about music, right? And that doesn't bring you guys any clients. So I'm going to show you an example of these guys, the Mary Maids, what keywords they're ranking for, and how much traffic they're getting for each of these keywords. So take a look here. Pasadena cleaning service, they're in the number 3 position on Google, and they're getting 34 people to their website a month for that. Cleaning services Pasadena, 29 people. Maid service Pasadena. So you can see these are keywords that we want to target as opposed to ones that have nothing to do with the services you provide. So that would be the first step, is adding in those keywords that people are searching for your services rather than what music people should listen to while cleaning, because we really want to get you guys clients, not just traffic to your website. And let's go back over here. This is another thing. This is called Google My Business. So this is a great tool for getting a lot of local traffic. Obviously, because it's right up at the top, it's right under the ads. It's the first thing that people see, and when people are searching, they can see where you are in relation to them, so they know that they're getting a local company. And when you get clients through your Google My Business, you're not having to drive all the way across the state to get clients, right? So this is one of my favorite ways to get leads, just because it's a free tool. And like I said, it's the first thing that pops up in Google. Actually, about 70% of everybody that searches for a given term up here will click on just the Google My Business, and then kind of the remaining 30% trickles down here. So by having a strong Google My Business, as well as having a high ranking website in the organics, that'll allow you to collect as much traffic as possible for any given search term up here. Now, when it comes to Google ranking and Google My Business, you want to make sure that you're basically going out and getting as many directories as possible. Directories are pretty much anywhere that you can get your name, address, and phone number online. So, Facebook accounts, social accounts, yellow pages, anything like that that includes your name, address, and phone number is super important. The key is consistency across all of them. You want to make sure that you are keeping everything exactly the same. If your Facebook has a different address or different business hours than your Google My Business or any other social accounts or directories, Google will find that as kind of confusing to the customer, and you'll lose some authority points in that aspect. So make sure whenever you build any sort of directories that everything is kept very consistent, everything is exactly the same, and there'll be no confusion there, and you'll start seeing yourself rank a little bit higher. Also, reviews are important as well, making sure that you have something set up so that your clients can easily leave reviews, like on your invoices, asking them to politely leave a review. Some people actually will give a small discount as well if they leave a review, and that's an incentive to get a lot of good reviews if you ask your clients to do that. So down here, this is called the organics area, and this is, like I said, where the remaining 30% of traffic goes for a given search term. And you always want to be on the first page. If you're on the second or third page of Google, you're really not going to collect any traffic from that. Not many people go past the first page. So to get onto the first page of Google, what you need to do is kind of look at Google like it's a popularity contest. The power in this popularity contest is something called backlinks. Backlinks are basically links from other websites that link to your website. The more these links you have, the more authority that Google sees that your website has, because there's a lot of things pointing in that direction. But not all backlinks are created equal. You need to make sure that you're getting backlinks that are from other relative websites relative to your industry, right? You can't just have links from any old website. You want to make sure that you're finding relative and powerful, authoritative sites to link from. And the more of those that you have to your website, it'll start boosting it up in the organic search results, and you can start seeing your website on the first page. Now, let's go back to this tool over here in Ahrefs, and you can see over here, this shows me how many websites you have linked to your website. So you have 111 websites that have links to your website, and they're linking to your website 479 times. So there's multiple links coming from the same websites, if that makes sense. But you only get power transferred from one website once. So you have about 111 websites linking to your website. And this over here is your backlink profile score. So this shows me, the quality of those links versus the quantity of those links. Now, these two numbers, you want to be as high as possible and as close together as possible. It should be a ratio of about 1 to 1, but this is all dependent on your backlink profile, which is what gives your website a lot of authority. If we take a look at your top competitors, you can see that they have a very powerful authority score, but they have a low quantity score, right? They don't have a lot of backlinks, but the backlinks that they have are very powerful, and that's giving them a lot of authority. Also, this is a national website, so they're receiving a lot of power from their website, which is probably ranking really high, and that's what's causing them to have such a high score and be on the first page of Google. And they also have a lot less keywords that they rank for versus you, because they have 15 keywords that they rank for, versus you have 533, but these ones are all really relevant to the industry that they're in, the services they're trying to provide, as opposed to on yours, it's really just targeting these useless keywords for songs to listen to while cleaning. So those are some things that I think that you could definitely improve upon, that you'd start seeing some more traffic to your business if you made those few changes. Just to reiterate, those three things were, adding at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage, I always like to say you should beat out the other person. So by adding 3,000 words on your homepage, you would be outranking them for that. And then for your Google My Business account, you want to make sure you're going out and getting those directories, linking to as many directories as possible, and keeping it consistent, all the hours and the information. And then down here for your website to rank organically in the search results, you need to be getting those backlinks that are super high authority and have to do with your industry, and that'll kind of start boosting you up, and you can start targeting those keywords, collecting some of the traffic for the things that you guys actually want to promote. So I hope this was helpful, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I definitely love to talk more and hear what you thought about it, about the video. So please reach back out to me, or I'll reach back out to you if I don't hear from you. But like I said, thanks again, and I will talk to you later. Have a great rest of your week.